Ndị Igbo mụrụ ma ya bịakwana ọzọ taa. Ige ntị hụ na anyị nọ na agba nke atọ, ya episode 3. Tata anyị bịara ka anyị mee ihe kpọrọ linking of words in order to pronounce long words in Igbo language. Linking of words in order to pronounce long words in Igbo language. Looking at this, I want us to do it as if we are solving mathematics, to be able to form words using the sounds a, b, ch, d, e. The number one, we have a plus b plus a equal to Aba. Aba is a town in Abia State. It's a city in Abia State. Number two, we have A plus B plus A plus J plus A equals to Abacha. Abacha is the name of a food, in African dishes. I mean, one of the foods in African dishes, we have Abacha. Of course, in Anambra State, there's a town called Abacha also. Then we have A plus B plus A plus D plus A equals to Abada. Abada is known as wrapper. These African wrapper women used to tie, wrapper. It's called Abada. Then here we have A plus D plus A equals to Ada. Ada in Igbo land means the daughter, a daughter. Especially the first female in the family is known as Ada. Adanwe Ukuanu. Yeah, the daughter that has the west part of the cow or meat. It's called Ada. Ada. Now looking at this side, I want us to take our time and look at all these three-lettered words. The three-lettered words are there. The four-lettered words are there. And also, we have 5, 6, 7. But we want to start with these 3 in Igbo, then we'll translate in English. We'll look at from number 1 to 25. Number 1, we have O, C, O. Also. Also in English is wrong. Also, wrong. Also, wrong. Number 2, A, He, A. Aha. Aha means name. Name. Number 3, we have O-B-E. O-B or Obi. Obi is heart. Then Obi is the name of a boy in Igbo land. Obi is like the male son that is in charge in the family. We have Obi or Obi. But trust me, Obi, the heart, or Obi, the name of a male child in the family. In our next class, we'll be talking about the Udan Nsuda. We will talk more about this. Look at the 4. A-Z-O. We have Azu, back. Yes, you can say Azu, that is fish. But here we are talking about Azu, back. It's the same spelling with Azu, fish, Anatata, fish. But here we're talking about A-Z-O, Azu, back. 5, we have E-C-E. E-C, head. E-C, E-C-E, E-C, head. E-C-E, E-C, head. The head there is being in charge, or this head we have. This head we are carrying as a human being. It can be a leader, a head of a department, or the physical head in our body structure. Then number 6, we have Imi. Imi is just one. There's no 2 Imis. We have one Imi. Imi is nose. Imi, nose. Imi, nose. 7, Anya is eyes. Eyes. My eyes. Anya, eyes. Then look at this. 8. Nte. Ear. Nte. Nte. Ear. Nte. Ear. Then oche. Can sit down. I want to sit down. I want to sit down. Oche. I want to sit down. Oche. Oche. Look at it. Oche. Chair. Oche. Chair. You can see. Oche is chair. Oche, chair. The number 10, ala, down, land, down. Land, down. Ala, down. Elu, up, up. Elu, up. Ofe, ofe. Soup, ofe, soup. Ogu, hole. Ogu, use it to farm. In our next month's program, we'll be dealing on farming implements and how to cultivate in the farmland. We'll do that. Then I'll show you Ogu, hoe. Ogu is hoe, farming implements or machine. 14, nne, mother. Nne, mother. Then we also have nna, father. Nna, father, my father. Mma, beauty. Mma, beauty. Hey, she's very beauty. Mma. Omo, children. Omo, children. Eze, king. Eze, king. Or teeth. We have Eze as teeth. Eze as king. Then, here he's talking about Eze, king. Our Eze. Our Eze is king. Then 17. Here we have Iko. Iko. Iko is cup. Iko is cup. Iko cup. Iko cup. Oku. 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 As you can see my palm O. If you remove palm buruku. Palm. Oku leg. Oku leg. Then here we have unsa. Unsa holy. Unsa holy. Holy thing. In the church, you have to be holy as a child of God. Also holy. Also pepper. How is pepperish? It's pepperish. Also pepper. Also pepper. Nri food. Actually, I want to eat. Nri food. Sie cook. Sie actually I want to cook. In our next year program, January, we'll be starting our making of African dishes, where we teach you how to cook nsara, ora, and all these egusi African dishes, Igbo land especially. Sie cook. Sie cook. Okay, rat. Okay, rat. The same okay for rat. In our next lesson also, you learn the difference between okay and okay. Okay being a male part of animal, gender, in terms of animal or even human. Then, ocha, white. Ocha, white. Oka, corn. Oka, corn. I want to eat corn. Oka, corn. In our lesson today, I want you to understand that it's very simple to learn how to read and write in Igbo, starting from 3-lettered words. Because in our next episode 4, we'll be talking about 4-lettered words. Episode 5, 5-lettered words and their English translation. Episode 6, 6-lettered words and their English translation. Episode 7, we'll be doing it in our episode 10. After then, we will go into practical. Then, you must have known how to read and write. Thank you for being with us. Ndi Igbo bani, ekenekwa m unu, ka emesịa.